Okay, I am shooting video. This is a Divco, a 1965. What is it, 200A. And I had a little trouble with the transmission because it was locked up. So I wasn't looking forward to getting underneath this in the winter in the mud. So as you can see, I took the floor panels out with a couple sheet metal screws. First I took that side out. Oh yeah, it's probably just in the shifter. Well, it's a top loader, so there's no linkage. And then I thought it was kind of rusty, so I pulled the shifter out. And then pulled this side out to get to the drain plug. So I drained it, put in 2 gallons of kerosene. This is my shifter linkage that shows up. And the forks were kind of rusted. The shaft is rusted. There are D-dents and balls and springs in these little holes. I don't know if you can see. That makes it snap. That's a stop. Let's see. There's a stop right there, so I won't go any farther that way. So it wants to go this way. And this one has a D-dent. It's all the way. Right now it's all the way that way. So it wants to go that way. So these 2 notches are where the shifter. 2 notches have to line up for that shifter to sit in it. So I got that freed up, and I'm going to work on it a little more. So I thought this would be fun. I've started it several times with kerosene in it. It's in neutral. And making a mess, but it's also kind of cleaning out the transmission. And if you can see, it's dark. This gear, a little pointer. You can see the screwdriver. Can you see that? Not really, I can't see it. Alright. This gear, straight cut gear, is first and reverse. So I was able to move it that way for first. Well, to the right for first, to the left for reverse. Now I'm still trying to get this second third gear to move. So anyway, more later. The engine's running good. I had trouble with that at first because I think the lifters were dried out and drained. So more later. Thanks.